Amazon's tester program, Amazon Vine, is a handy way to get free Amazon items to review and potentially resell for extra money. We'll walk you through everything you need to know about this invite-only program, along with third-party alternatives to Amazon Vine. We'll even review the basics of Amazon's affiliate program, so you can earn a little extra money on Amazon products you test and recommend to others. How to become a product tester for Amazon. Leave helpful, high-quality reviews on the Amazon products you buy. Go above and beyond simple reviews like "very great product." Instead, include specific details that other Amazon users are sure to find helpful. Mention fit and comfort for shoes, assembly tips for furniture, or setup advice for electronics. Wait for Amazon to invite you to the Amazon Vine program. Unfortunately, there's no way to sign up for Amazon Vine. Just keep reviewing consistently, and keep an eye on the email linked to your Amazon account for an invite. Request Amazon products to review for free once you're in the program. As a Vine voice, you'll get access to a special Amazon website along with a large catalog of free items to request. These items will be sent to you for free with the expectation that you'll leave a full, honest review of your thoughts. Your reviews will now have a special label to show that you got the product for free. Flip these products after reviewing them to earn a profit. Amazon Vine members don't get any official payment for being product testers, but it's possible to earn money by reselling your free items on third-party sites like eBay, Bonanza, Declutch, Facebook Marketplace, Poshmark. Amazon Vine alternatives. iReview Home. iReview Home gives users access to discounted, and sometimes free, products in exchange for a future review on that product. Resell your items for extra cash once you've reviewed them. Vipon. Vipon receives special product deals from Amazon sellers, which are then posted on their website. While these products aren't completely free, they're sold at a significant discount, so you could theoretically flip the item and make a profit once you're done using it. Rebate. Rebate lists plenty of Amazon deals and rebate, money-back, offers that allow you to purchase and test, and potentially resell, products for cheap. Snagshout. Snagshout gives shoppers access to a variety of discounts and rebate deals for Amazon products. JumpSend. JumpSend lets you browse a variety of discounted Amazon items, which you can then test and potentially flip for cash further down the line. Amazon Affiliate and Influencer Programs. The Amazon Associates program gets you extra cash through affiliate codes. Click here to sign up. You're typically eligible to become an Amazon associate as long as you have some sort of audience, like a blog or website. If other people purchase items via your affiliate link, you'll receive a commission for the sale. The Amazon Influencer program gives content creators a space to promote Amazon products. While this program does involve affiliate codes, it focuses more on giving influencers space to design their own Amazon storefront, rather than just redirecting customers to an Amazon listing. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.